Okay, we're looking at Chapter 3, Example 3 on page 143 to 144. Alright, so what we're wanting to do is create a table so that when we do our calculations, it's kind of easy to see what all's going on. So this first column, is 82, 77, 90, so on and so forth. Alright, those are the values from the table, so I'm not sure. Oh, test scores. Okay, so the student got an 82, a 77, a 90, so on and so forth. Alright, so then what we want to do is we want to take the population mean. So basically what we're doing is we're taking all of these scores, okay, we're going to take the mean. So we're averaging them up. We add them and we divide by the total number of scores. In this case, there's 10 of them. So what we get when we do that is 79. So we just put 79 in the column. Okay. The deviation about the mean. So basically we take the score that you got. So the first score is an 82. You subtract the mean, which is 79, and you get 3. And you do that for the rest of the column. 77 minus 79 gives you -2, so on and so forth. Alright, square deviation about the mean. We're going to look at this part. And basically, we're just going to take what we found in this column and square it, okay? And the reason we do that is to get rid of these negative numbers. If you add a negative number like this 11 and the -11, they cancel out. Where if we square them, they're not going to cancel each other out. We're going to get a better representation of this. Alright, so let's see. Next, we want to add up everything in this column. Okay, so once we've done all of that, okay, we're just going to complete our formula. Okay, so we've found this top part right here, and that was this 964. Okay, so we're just plugging this in, and then we could have to divide by capital N, which is 10. So basically, to find N, you just count the number of scores. Okay, so we've got 10 scores, and so we have 96.4. Right, so that's the value underneath the square root. Then what we need to do is we need to take the square root of this value we found here, because this is the value under the square root, okay, which is 96.4. We take the square root of 96.4, and if you were to take the square root of that, you would get 9.8 points. Okay. What we're doing in this next column, this here, that's just another way to approach the formula. What they did is this first formula here that we've been working with, they just rewrote it in this way. So whichever one you like to do best, if you like approach 1, if you like approach 2, either one, you're going to get the same answer. They just wanted to show you a second way of doing it.